Yes.
Starting lineup for your hometown Cotuit Kettleers. Leading off from Mississippi and playing first base, number 2, Alex Yarbrough. Batting second from Georgia Southern, the designated hitter, number 28, Victor Roach. Batting third from Michigan State and playing third base, number 7, Torsten Voss. Hitting cleanup from Arizona State, the shortstop, number 10, Devin Marrero. Batting fifth from Vanderbilt, the right fielder, number 6, Mike Yastrzemski. And hitting sixth from the University of Southern California, our catcher, number 11, Kevin Roundtree. Batting seventh from Indiana, the second baseman, number 3, Micah Johnson. Hitting eighth from Michigan, the center fielder, number 15, Patrick Biondi. And batting ninth from Georgia Tech, the left fielder, number 8, Kyle Wren. The starting pitcher for this afternoon's ball game for the Cotuit Kettleers from San Francisco, number 40, Kyle Zimmer.
Intelligence. He has served in Iraq and is currently stationed with the 10th Special Forces in Colorado.
Babe Ruth and someone else. Maybe the grandson. Mitch. Could be it. Mitch. Could be a shot. What? Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go.
If he didn't hit it twice.
Like his name for that. Yeah, okay.
Come on now, have a hit! Come along! Have a hit!
Please tell me there were more than 4 boats.
It wasn't. I could have been I judged I was in a rush and I gotta get Oh, there you go.
Park. Have a safe ride home and a great weekend, everybody.